Choosing a broker. Make a list of these qualities to look out for when choosing a broker. 1. Do not deal with companies that have had legal issues in the past. 2. Be sure your broker is regulated. 3. Choose a broker that has lower spreads. 4. Consider leverage that is offered. 5. Can you open an account with small deposit? This may not mean that a broker is good, but a mini account could be sort of preparation for you to trade real money, but without risking too much. A good broker should be able to give you maximum flexibility at nearly zero expense on your end. 6. A good broker should have suitable means of depositing funds and an easy means of withdrawal as well. 7. A broker should be able to execute your orders fast without delays. 8. Your broker should offer low spread, swap, and commissions. 9. They should also be able to support the common trading platforms or software currently used, such as MT4, MT5, and CTrader. 10. Read customer reviews. 11. Do they care about their customers? Most brokers will have customer service. If a broker does not have one, you better avoid them. Those that do not reply to their customers' requests within 24 hours should also be avoided. Better safe than sorry. Keynote: a good broker is also part of your journey to being a successful trader. Now that you have learned how to find a good broker, you possibly would love to take your time in finding one. Let's dive right into creating or opening your very own first demo account. And if this isn't your first, well, let's create one. Either ways, it doesn't really count if it's your 50th. Let's get right into it. Hope you are enjoying your newly found recipe. We hope the knowledge compiled in this course aids you dish out greater success in your trading journey. You were once an infant in this field, and now you are maturing to becoming a professional. Let us go up to our next class, opening a demo account.